Tales from Cape Bretoners. Today we're going to be talking about carving, so we're going to show you exactly what we're talking about. Preston's going to introduce you to what he's doing, and tonight's episode will be on carving. Yeah! So we're looking forward to it. Hope you are too.
Kind of beautiful day, gray day. You know, make the best of it though when it's not snowing or raining, and it's kind of doing that off and on. But anyways, I just kind of want to show you kind of what I do on a daily basis. I could be painting or I could be chainsaw carving. So right now I'm doing a job for a gentleman in Ontario. This job will be going to Ontario from Nova Scotia. It's a fisherman. And anyways, today we wanted to change it up and just kind of show you outside. We're still going to give you another episode there later on through the week here. And but we figured this would be a really good thing to show you guys, and maybe you guys, you know, get some comments in here, see if you see what you guys, let us know what you think. Anyways, hit the like and subscribe button for me and Carla here for Tales from Cape Bretoners. We try to upkeep and try to bring you something at least daily, every week, at least once a week. Right now, as we get the hits and likes and subscriptions and stuff like that, we might decide to start doing more videos per week. But anyways, like I said, if you like our content and stuff like that, hit the like and subscribe button. This is just a little bit of what I do for part of my living to get by. I'm a chainsaw artist as well as a tattoo artist as well as a painter. So I pretty much work in most mediums. Anything I pretty much touch, I usually try to create something in. So anyways, if you guys like it, like I said, hit the like and subscribe button and enjoy the ride, guys. I'm going to put my earphones on. Carla, you got yours on?
Yep.
Perfect. Okay, anyways, Carla's doing some filming live on location today.
Yeah, you bet. Changing to the chainsaw now. Here's how the chainsaw carving works. raining a bit now, so I said it's raining a bit now, so I'm videoing from inside the shanty.
Yeah, so essentially what I'm trying to do is get it detailed now, and then I'll glue the wheel on and then adjust the hands accordingly so it looks like he's steering a boat.
Yeah.
Try to get most of this black shit out of here and make sure it's not rot, because I might have to cut a little bit off.
Yeah.
But we'll see. Take that in a minute. But essentially, guys, what I'm doing is just finishing the detailing on this piece, doing last minute stuff and just getting all the details and that, and then I'll get it ready for probably, I'll paint this one so it looks like a fisherman, because he wanted like the yellow coat that you'd see in a fisherman. So anyways, we got these pieces are really fun to create, that's for sure. I just wanted to show you guys basically a bit of a rundown of what I do because I know I mentioned it a lot of chainsaw carving and stuff like that. We won't be doing no how-to videos. There's guys like Ryan Cook that are fucking amazing at teaching people and all that sort of thing, and are personable with people like for teaching. Some people can't teach. We'll leave that up to those guys, because I have a great deal of respect for those guys. Like Kevin Carves and all them guys to make them videos. Okay, so this is just basically a video to show you like what I do and how my days usually go creating shit for myself, I guess, mostly. If I didn't do it for myself, then I would be nuts. Anyways,
yeah, we'll be telling some stories a little bit later on Tales from Cape Bretoners of Preston's pains of learning how to chainsaw carve.
Yeah.
There's a few good ones there.
I do. I almost lobbed off the top of my thumb there.
Yeah. So there's a
my
few
chainsaw midair.
Yeah.
Like an idiot.
Yeah. So anyways, we'll be telling a few stories later to go with the chainsaw carving.
Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I do, and then maybe we'll, if it gets more views and stuff like that, maybe we'll do more in the future.
Yeah, 100%.
Some just carving videos. Like I said, we won't be getting into how-to.
Yeah.
That we'll leave that up to the guys like Ryan Cook. I don't want nothing to do with that stuff.
Yeah.
So, anyways.
Okay, we'll see you guys after around the fire.
Sounds good.
All right.
Cheers, guys.